Good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at quadratic equations and inequalities, and we're looking at the examples for exercise 2.2, and exercise 2.2 is on page 25. Okay. So we are told now in general from the exercise you'll notice the following. The coefficient of x squared is, in each case was 1. Okay. The third term is equal to a half of the coefficient of x squared. Okay, we spoke about that here in purple as well. Okay. So it will, in general, it will be, if it's in the form, but important here, I know I said the a here, but in this case your a is going to be 1. Because if the first number in front of x squared is anything other than 1, something else needs to happen first. Okay, and that we'll discuss probably tomorrow. Okay. So looking at this here, so the coefficient of 1, the third term is equal to half the coefficient of x squared, which is this in general in other words. Okay, so now we're looking at the example here. It says, what must be added to each of the following to make perfect square trinomial? Okay, to make a perfect square trinomial. So if you're looking at this here, it's going to be x squared. Is the coefficient 1? Yes. So this is going to be x squared plus 10x plus, and what must be added? B
Attention
times
staff,
half.
please take note. Hopefully we will be having load shedding at 2 o'clock.
Hopefully.
Just a reminder.
Okay, hopefully it doesn't go off by the time we have completed the examples. Okay. So it's going to be b times half, and it must be squared. What's your b in this case? 10. So it's going to be 10 times half, and it must be squared. So it's going to be x squared plus 10x plus 10 times half squared is. So that is what we call a perfect square trinomial. Right. Let's look at the next one quickly. Look at number 2. So is there 1 in front of x squared? Yes. So yes, we got x squared minus 6x plus. What must be added here? It's going to be b times a half, and it must be squared. So it's going to be negative 6 times half squared. So that's going to give us x squared minus 6x plus. What's negative 6 times half? Negative 3. And negative 3 squared is positive 9. Who doesn't understand? Who understands? Put up your hand. Okay, you all understand. What's wrong, Ms. Haas? What don't you understand, Michael? But your hand is not up. Okay. Let's go with number 3 quickly. Let's go x squared plus x. Right. So what must be added here to complete the square? What number is in front of x? 1. So your b value is 1. So it's going to be 1 times half squared. And what is 1 times half? A half. And a half squared is? And what do we call this, people? Perfect square trinomial. You guys understand? So with that you should be able to do exercise 2.2. You guys can start with it now. And I'll call you up row by row to ensure that you guys understand. Okay. So I'll stop the video at this point.